Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. And before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now, let's get started with our warm-up. Hi everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. Now before we start today's lesson, let's get started with the warm-up. We're going to count to 10 in Korean today, okay? Repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, let's start rotating our arms. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. The other way now. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's swing our arms inside and out like this. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, good. Let's start rotating our neck like this. Keep it nice and loose. And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome, very good job. All right, now this time, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start putting our hands on our hips. We're gonna rotate our shoulders forward. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Now going the other way. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome job. All right, let's take this arm. Let's go across our body. Pick it up like this, stretching it just like that. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Then the other way. We're gonna keep going. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's take one hand like we're scratching our back like this. Take the other hand, push our elbow down. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Let's switch to the other side. Keep counting. Ready? 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's go and start stretching out our legs a little bit. And put your feet together, hands on your knees. We're gonna bounce down and come back up. Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. Good job. 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, let's go ahead and have our feet apart just like this. Hands on the knees. Turn our shoulder to one side. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome job. All right, now we're gonna bend one knee, pick one foot up like this. Ready? I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Switch sides. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good. Now have both legs straight like this. Good. Make it star shaped like this. We're gonna go down to one side. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Go to the other side. 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Now this time cross your arms, head down to the middle. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Good job. Awesome job, you guys. All right, shake out your hands, shake out your legs. Good. All right, get started with the lesson. Jadiet? Kenya. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start the lesson. All right, you guys, welcome to the round kick part of the lesson today. In this part of the lesson, we're going to focus on our roundhouse kick. Okay? Now, if you know what a roundhouse kick is, it's when you take this foot, you turn it sideways, you pick up your knee, and you hit with your shin. Right, or the top of your foot, either one's okay. When we round kick, we don't want to hit with the side of our foot. So if you do this, and that's not a round kick, okay? A round kick, your knees flat, turn to the side, okay? So one of the best ways to practice a round kick is something called holding kicks, okay? So now, if you have a chair, you have a wall, I recommend you do this, okay? Start with something to keep your balance, right? So I'll keep my hand right here. You're gonna have the bottom foot point. So your toes are pointing towards the wall or towards the chair. You're gonna pick up your knee, have it flat like a tabletop. Okay, now something my instructor used to do, used to put like a pad and put it on my knee like this, right, to make sure it was straight. If your knee is doing this, and that's not quite correct. You want your knee completely flat, okay? We're gonna do 5 kicks with our right, 5 kicks with our left, okay? So ready? Repeat after me. I'm gonna say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's do the other side now. Ready? Toe pointing to the wall. Very important. Hand to the wall like this. Pick up your knee. And 1. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right. Ready for a challenge? All right. We're gonna take one finger. Put it on the wall just like that. Turn your foot. Pick up your knee. Ready? We're gonna bounce with one finger. Ready? And hana. Do it. Set. Net. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, let's switch. Let's do this finger right here now. Turn that foot that way. Pick up this knee. And hana. Do it. Set. Net. Awesome. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right. I bet you can guess what comes next. No hands on the wall. Okay, now I gotta warn you. Make sure there's nothing breakable around you. Make sure if you're practicing with your little brother, little sister, or your parents, make sure you guys don't bump each other. Be careful. Understand? Yes, sir? Okay, good. I don't want to hear about anybody falling into someone because you followed this lesson. Okay? I gave you a warning. Watch your space. Okay? All right. Go ahead and pick up your knee. We're gonna do 3 kicks with the right leg, no hands on the wall. Ready? Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Awesome. Good job. Let's do the other side now. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Good work. Okay. Now, this last part, here's what we're going to do. We're going to hold our foot up, and we're going to do as many kicks as we can in 10 seconds. Okay, as many kicks as we can. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Good, good. Keep going. As many as you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, let's do the other leg now. Go. Good. Good. Keep going. Keep kicking. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work today. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. Alright, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can, and when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there. Great job, everyone. High five. Awesome. I know that workout might have been pretty tough. Now, hey, you guys did an awesome job. Now, the lesson isn't over yet, so I'm going to give you guys about a minute to take a quick water break. When you come back, make sure you guys continue with the lesson. I'll see you guys soon. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way.